Thanks for joining us this afternoon. I'm Tata Miller. New at noon, some students and parents at Davies High School in Fargo have been notified about possible exposure to whooping cough. The school nurse says a student has contracted whooping cough, which is highly contagious. It's recommended to keep an eye out for symptoms for the next 2 weeks. If your child has prolonged or uncontrollable bursts of coughing, get them to the doctor. That student should also stay home from school and other activities. Kids are considered high risk if they have asthma or other immunodeficiencies.